Hey, radio while. Look, I found a radio. It's not very old. It does turn on, it works. Antenna was loose. I just took this little bracket off over here. That screw's kind of a little wonky now. I tighten that up. We're going to take it all apart though, because it's dirty. What's it? Sony ICF 350W, made in Malaysia. Yeah, this is nasty. Yeah, we're going to fix it up. I'm just pulling a radio wild. What I'm doing is really late at night. I should be sleeping right now. So much junk. Look at all this junk. Printer, car parts. It's a nightmare. Pink scissors. Wow, very dirty inside. Very dirty. I gotta take this grate off too and clean that. I polished up the lens. Little radio restoration. Radio wild. That's what I wanted to clean. This trash found. I gotta remember how that little clamp went. Alright, let me get some cleaning supplies. This should be fairly easy to do. This is easy. I could put the knob. This stuff is nasty. The knob's coming out. That little AM/FM switch. Everything's just so funky in this thing. We're gonna clean it up. I want to get that grate out. I don't think I have to repaint it. I could probably just clean it. It'll be a nice little radio. Emergency radio when coronavirus takes over America. We need batteries and flashlights to survive, and portable battery-powered radios, which we didn't have during the storm. My lighting's getting worse and worse, and I'm leaking. I don't know what that thing is, but this thing's really funky. I'm glad I took that all apart. It's going to be a fine little radio. I gotta get that grate off still. Almost done, good enough. I just don't like having people's stuff and there's splooges inside of it. It grosses me out. Take it. It's like this computer. I had to take it all apart. You know, it's a trash found computer, and I wiped the whole case out because it really smelled. Now it doesn't. See, that's why you clean stuff. Yeah. It's coming back together. It's much cleaner, but I nicked some paint off. I'm probably gonna paint that grate tomorrow. And I screwed up the dial on it too. It was off, but I think I have it in the right position. Let's see what power's on. I think we're gonna take a shower and go to bed.
CARNIVORA.com. Call now.
Wow. Radio wild. A day later, I painted the grate. It has a couple little marks on it, but you know what? I don't care. I should have never really painted it. I should have just touched it up. It was bad. I had to paint it twice actually. This is salmon paint in the Caprice's color, black. See it? I don't care though. It's just a $10 radio. The market they're calling me. Then the speaker just has a little clamp and a lock thing. I still got some funk on the edges I gotta knock off with a toothpick because this thing is just so nasty. How do people make stuff so nasty? And again, looking at my keyboard, there's all dog hair and shit all over it, you know? Yeah.
Sean Hannity. A hotel, which is a great resort, and people were coming up to me from all over the country
messed up,
saying,
but you know what? Do I care? Absolutely not.
They're saying, Sean, that
I could wet sand that out, but I'm not doing it.
And I think
Works though.
It's going to be because of
a little banged up.
like you. And I've never.
Well, the grate's kind of bugging me a little bit. It's like, no, I can fix it with a little sandpaper. I don't know. At least it's so much cleaner than before. There was so much shit trapped behind there. Yeah, it's cool though. I like it. I'll keep it. It's good for emergency, like what happened in Tennessee. You have a tornado. Battery powered radio is not bad to have, and it's free. Just needed some disassembling and cleaning. I could have polished it more, but I'm not going crazy. It smells terrible now. I gotta leave it outside. It's outgassing. It's a automotive base coat right there. And you see my marks? I could have fixed that. That's just when the paint gets in the little holes. You really need like a air gun. I should have had an air gun. I should have been blowing around it after I painted it to get the paint out of the little holes. I was just poking it, and you get air pockets like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not horrible. That's character now. It's better than rust and peeling paint, which I had.